The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Ozark County, Southeastern Webster County, Southwestern Wright County, Western Douglas County, Northeastern Taney County, Southeastern Christian County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Sparta, or 13 miles southeast of Ozark, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bryant Creek State Park, Ava, Seymour, Mansfield, Taneyville, Wasola, Oldfield, Brushy Knob, Brown Ranch, Elkhead, Bruner, Keltner, Garrison, Rome, Squires, Chadwick, Bradleyville, Good Hope, Rockbridge, and Dogwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Christian, Douglas, Ozark, Taney, Webster, and Wright.